Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a video about how I cleanse my face and a little kind of like a talk, whatever. Excuse the hair, I'm getting my hair done today. So the first thing we're going to start with is oil-free refreshing facial cleanser. And it looks like this. You don't want your water to be too hot and you don't want it to be too cold. You want it to be warm so it can open up the pores. So then you wet your face like so. My hoodie got wet, overall it's fine. Then you take a pump. And you only need like that much. You rub together. And you start to massage it into your face. Relocated. I live in North Carolina now. I'm not dating. I'm trying to get, I just need to focus on myself right now. I have started back reading the Bible, and honestly, if you are going through anything, good, bad, happy, sad, you feel like you're depressed, you feel like you want to do anything to yourself, read the Bible. They have so many scriptures on the Bible for things like that. I highly recommend it. I read my Bible daily. I have the Bible app. It's called Bible. It's so much better. So now that you massage this in your face, you're just going to turn the water back on and you're going to rinse your face. Once you've done that, I know my eyes are closed, you just want to get a towel and pat your face. And you want to pat your face dry. So yesterday was my mom's birthday and we had a great time. We went to a jazz club. It was really nice, although the music, the music wasn't like my type of jazz, but it was cool. I liked the atmosphere. Everyone was nice. My mom has so many compliments, y'all. She looked so bomb. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. She looked good. Sis was good looking. Next, I'm going to go in with my African soap. It looks like this. And what you do with this, you turn the water on also. Massage it with your hand and you just apply it on your face. And I'm going to show you that right now. Excuse the sound. I am in my bathroom and I can't control the sound. Like when you turn the light on, that's the sound that it makes. So sorry in advance. Because I do want you guys to actually hear me talk, like, during the videos. My birthday is coming up, guys, and honestly, I have not the slightest clue what I want to do, where I want to go, or who I want to be around. Please be sure to avoid your eyes. Do not get any of the stuff in your eyes. But if you do, wash it out with cold water and you should be fine. Now, with this With this African soap, I am realizing that it does kind of burn my face. I'm not sure if that's how it's supposed to be. I mean, y'all, my face really was dirty, so that's probably a good thing. So once you have it all in, just wash it away again. Once again, your face will be this wet. Same towel. Kind of close to my last step, I use my Neutrogena alcohol-free toner, and it looks like this. You could get this from Walmart, you could get it from Target. I think I got this from Target. So then I get cotton swabs. I actually got this from Target too. And I kind of saturate it. And I just start wiping. Normally, I would do a lip scrub, but I really don't feel like I need to do it right now. So my last and final step is my most favorite thing of all, my Nivea cream, and it looks like this. Nivea is really good for people who have eczema, especially in the winter time, because I know your skin dries up in the winter time, and this is really good. And that is how my face becomes pretty. Because honestly, especially for my makeup people out there, if you're going to do your makeup, please, 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 please be sure to cleanse your face, and not just with makeup wipes, because honestly, you can clean your face with makeup wipes all you want, but it's really not going to get all the makeup off, and eventually it's gonna go into your pores, and you're gonna start having like little craters or holes around your face, and nobody wants that, because that's not cute, sis. But cleanse your face. It takes no more than like 5 to 10 minutes to just cleanse your face. But that completes the tutorial. So like, comment, subscribe. Bye guys.